This is the most powerful SL ever unleashed. Mercedes-AMG has unveiled the new SL63 SE Performance, crowning the iconic SL Roadster lineup with a groundbreaking hybrid powertrain that makes it the highest-performing model yet. Packing a combined 816 horsepower and up to 1,420 newton-meters of torque from its electrified V8 powertrain, this open-top stunner shatters acceleration records while retaining the luxury and poise the SL is renowned for. Under the long hood lurks a hand-built 4-liter biturbo V8, producing 612 horsepower and 850 newton-meters of torque, supplemented by a 150-kilowatt electric motor integrated into the rear axle for instantaneous boost. Together, they rocket this drop-top to 62 miles per hour in a supercar-rivaling 2.9 seconds. The innovative AMG High Performance battery also enables a useful 8 miles of electric driving range for zero-emissions cruising. Yet raw performance is only part of the package. Active rear-wheel steering enhances agility while powerful AMG carbon ceramic brakes provide fade-free stopping power. The active aerodynamics automatically optimize for stability or efficiency as needed, and innovative hydraulically interconnected suspension all but eliminates body roll for sports car reflexes with luxury sedan comfort. The luxuriously appointed cockpit features cutting-edge MBX infotainment with unique hybrid displays to analyze power flow in real time. Heated ventilated AMG performance seats coddle occupants amidst a sea of handcrafted Napa leather and carbon fiber trim. The Power Dome hood shelters the mechanical masterpiece within, while trademark Panamericana grille asserts the AMG pedigree. Retaining the elongated silhouette and fabric top of SL heritage, the 63 SE Performance advances this icon into a sustainable future without sacrificing visceral performance. Boasting the pinnacle of cutting-edge AMG technology in a stunning open-air package, it establishes a new benchmark among luxury roadsters. Not just the quickest but the most well-rounded SL yet, it expands the boundaries of possibility for sustainable supercars. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.